Unlocking smiles, the power of wearing a big smile. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that lights up rooms and warms hearts, wearing a big smile. This expression is not just about showing your teeth. It's a powerful symbol of happiness, friendliness, and positivity. Let's explore together why this phrase is so special and how you can use it in your English conversations to express joy and make connections. Wearing a big smile means having a broad, genuine smile on your face, indicating happiness, pleasure, or amusement. This expression vividly portrays the smile as something you put on, like clothing, suggesting that it's not just a reflex, but a choice to show joy and positivity to the world. A big smile can be infectious, spreading cheerfulness and warmth to those around you. A big smile is more than just a facial expression. It's a universal language of goodwill. It can break down barriers. A smile is understood across cultures and can make you appear more approachable and friendly. Improve your mood. Smiling can actually trick your brain into feeling happier. Create a positive environment. Smiles are contagious, and wearing a big smile can lighten the mood of an entire room. 1. Describing someone's demeanor. When she heard the good news, she was wearing a big smile. 2. Expressing personal joy. I'll be wearing a big smile all day after acing my exam. 3. Setting a positive scene in storytelling. The party was full of people wearing big smiles, enjoying the celebration. Watch for context. Notice how people use this phrase in different situations, whether in joyous occasions or when trying to cheer up someone. Mirror the positivity. Try wearing a big smile yourself when speaking English. It will make the learning process more enjoyable and help you connect with others. Incorporate it in your vocabulary. Use the phrase in your daily conversations and writing to describe moments of happiness and to express a positive outlook. Remember, wearing a big smile is not just about showing your teeth, it's about sharing a piece of your heart. We hope this video has brought a big smile to your face and that you'll spread that joy in your English conversations. Keep smiling, keep learning, and until next time, stay positive and curious.